Hello, it's Deb again. I'm going to show you two programs that I use to create landing pages or squeeze capture page, whatever you want to call it. The first one is the Conversion Pros. Now this one is a more modern program, but it's also a bit more pricey. You go in your dashboard and go to the landing page builder, and you can just simply add a landing page, and you just pick one, then you hit start editing. You'll have to give it a title, you'll have to give it a one-word name, pick your mail campaign, save it, and then you can pick a background image. They have multiple things here, as you can see, and each one will bring up a whole bunch of other pictures for your background. Then you go into the editing, which is here, and you'll just hit create edit content and put anything you want, and when you're finished writing you stop the editing. You go to the style, where you can change your text to any number of things, as you can see here. You can change the color, the size. You can make it thin, normal sized, or bold. You can add text shadows, box shadows, and a background. And they have a miscellaneous, which alters the wording. It spreads it out. And then once you're done, you just save your lander. The one part I want to show you is here, where you would edit the content. Oh, that won't come up because I didn't actually make the page. Anyhow, you would edit this and it takes you to a page, and then you plug in where you want people to go once they hit submit to their email. And you can change this so it's just name and email, or you can leave it all there if you want. You can also edit the button. You can edit the social media, and then this is all tied into your autoresponder here, which is here, and we'll discuss that more later, but this is where you make your mail campaigns. The other program I use is called All-in-One Profits. Now you can actually get a membership here for, I think it's $11 or $20, $21, depending on which one you want. This one is a little bit more old school. You build a splash page, you go there, you give it a name, and you hit create. Oops, we'll just say this is a test. And you go there and you pick a template that you want. Now, if you know HTML and things, you can use an empty page and create your own. These basically, then you go back and you hit edit. Now the difference here is you've got all these little boxes, and it's not quite as nice as the other one because you've got to get your headlines in these boxes and use the HTML buttons, and sometimes it doesn't come out quite the way you would like it to. But this one too also has an autoresponder tied up to it, and you can edit these. You edit your autoresponder. You select the message if you've already made one, and you can go in and edit it, update it. And generally on both of them, you want to set your first email at 0 so that they get it the same day, so it doesn't give them a chance to forget that they signed up. The differences between the two really are basically boils down to your budget. Which one can you afford? Like I said, the Conversion Pro is really modern, updated. It's fairly simple They have a training system here with all sorts of tutorials, video tutorials. They have, I'll show you here, they have multiple videos under each section to go through. You can skip around if you don't need certain things, and if you do, you go in and find what it is you need. They also have an affiliate training area, and you can get affiliate links. And under here, they already have capture pages made with your ID number in it, and the autoresponder system is already set up. And this costs $50 a month, but if you refer 2 people and they keep it, then yours is essentially free. You get $25 per referral. The all-in-one profits, I really do not like their setup, because what it is I think you get every other one. If you want the affiliate thing, and if you want the affiliate aspect, it has it. It's just not as lucrative, but it's a lot cheaper for those on tight budgets. I'll go more in depth on these later, but I just wanted to show you briefly what landing pages were. Thank you.